Díomh gach duine, an seachtain seo táimídeag foghlaim faoin bhríothar déin. We're learning about the verb déin, to make or do. So freisin táimídeag foghlaim faoi bia. So we're also going to learn about food. Now, there is really no vocabulary on this story that you either don't know or can't find out by looking up the dictionary. So I'm not going to do much of the vocabulary for you. I'm just going to show you one or two things. First off, on. Now, on by itself means de, but if we use on as a prefix in Irish, it means very. So, bhí sé an shimplí, it was very simple. Tá sé an te, it's very hot. Tá sé an vlasta, it's very tasty. And tá sé an te again. You'll notice that blasta takes a H after on. If a letter can take a H, usually it does when we use on. You'll remember this from saying go on wa. We put a H in ma when it's on wa. Very good. So most of the time you'll put a H in here. Don't worry if you're not sure if it's going to work or not. Just try it out. So on means very. Next here, avlasha. So blas means taste, and blasha is like we learned before, you know, the ing form of it. So blasha, if we wrote egg blasha, we would mean tasting. But here it's avlasha, which means to taste. So egg would turn this into ing, and a means to. So Erwahlat a avlasha. Would you like to taste it? The other times you would hear this is tá ma oberwalya a dhéanamh. I have to do my homework. Next one here, tá an ceart agat. Now you know that ceart means right or correct. Tá an ceart agat, you have the right, which just really means you are correct or you are right. Okay, so that's it for explaining. Now I'm going to read it. Conas a rinne tú an curry sin a amit. Bhí sé an shimpli. Dúsáid mé onion, trátaí, púdar curry agus spíosraí eile. Chuir tú feola ann? Ó chuir, cínse. Chuir mé sicín ann. Wahlat é a bhlasha? Cínse, gur raibh maith agat. Bí cuar amach tá sé an te. Well, an maithleat é. Is brálam é, tá sé an bhlasta, ach tá an ceart agat, tá sé an te. Wahlat deoch uisce? Ba bha, cínse, gur raibh maith agat.